Hi Igor. I just want to show you real quickly how I search for your property. First of all, over here is where the floor area grand total. I put 800 minimum. You know what? Maybe let's change it to 760. Okay, 760 square feet to let's put 1300 maximum. And what I do is to look at a specific area, the map. This is what we use to find proximity close to either the SkyTrain or Port Moody, where it's close to SkyTrain and the West Coast Express. So I did the one for Port Moody for you already, and I did one for Port Coquitlam. So I'll do one for Surrey for you. I just want to let you know how we work out the mapping here. So let's see here. So if you want to be in Surrey, you want to be somewhere close to Surrey Central. That's where the SkyTrain goes. I think the last SkyTrain is on around here, Fraser Highway and King George Boulevard. So what I do is searching all apartments now, and then what I do is I draw a map example. This is the mapping device that kind of goes around, and this is search only apartments for you. I'm going to zoom out, right, and go all the way down Kings George. This is the Scott Road area, and let's have a look here. And this will show all the apartments that are that size, right? And it'll show you there's 4 of them here, there's 2 of them here, there's 8 of them here, 5 of them, 17 of them close to the core. And I'll send all of these to you right now. So I'll go search now, and I'll list out all these properties. It's 45 of them. And I can sort them based on year built. So if I press year built, I just sort it. I can do things like I can have the older ones taken out, the 1980 ones, the 1970 ones. Maybe leave the 1994s. If those are too old, I can remove them too. Take all the 90s out, so you get a newer building, but then it's gonna be a little bit more. And then I'll hit shut. So these are all the remainders that show up. I'll email this list to you. I hope it's not too much. You know what? Let's do a price range too. Let's take off anything that's over in terms of pricing. 655 would be way too much. So price range will fall under these categories. So I'll send you these 5 listings. Just want to let you know how we conduct the searches, so you can tell me more accurately how you want me to look for you. Thank you.